Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer leads from Calendly to HubSpot step by step clearly. First, log in to your Calendly account. Access the event type where you want to collect leads. Click on the Integrations tab in your event settings. Scroll down to find the HubSpot integration option. Click on the Connect button next to HubSpot. You will be redirected to HubSpot's login page. Enter your HubSpot credentials to log in. Authorize Calendly to access your HubSpot account. Once connected, return to your Calendly event settings. Select the specific form fields you want to transfer to HubSpot. Configure the lead status in HubSpot for new entries. Save your integration settings. Now, go back to your main Calendly dashboard. Schedule a test meeting to ensure data flows correctly. After the meeting is booked, log in to your HubSpot account. Navigate to the Contacts section in HubSpot. Search for the contact that corresponds with your test meeting. Verify that the details from Calendly are present in the HubSpot contact profile. If everything looks correct, your integration is functioning properly. Repeat the testing process by scheduling additional meetings. Monitor the contact information regularly for any discrepancies. Adjust your settings in Calendly or HubSpot as needed to optimize data flow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.